Welcome to MBPI Real Estate News. Hey everyone, this is Todd Whiting from Metro Boston Property Inspections, and today we're going to talk about how to hire a home inspector. Before you start looking at homes, you're going to want to start researching companies online. Look for reviews, find out what others are saying about the companies that are out there. You're going to get a good feel for the services the inspector can provide, whether he's compatible with your personality. You should also check with family and friends to see who they may have used in the past. You can talk to real estate agents to see who they might recommend. And you can go to the Board of Registration of Home Inspectors to check the licenses of the inspectors you're interested in. The board has records of any disciplinary action that may have been taken against the inspector by the board. You want to start interviewing inspection companies or inspectors right away. Call all the prospective companies you have selected. Have your written list of questions ready to ask. If they're not willing to talk with you before the inspection or answer your questions while you're trying to figure out if they're the right person, will they be willing to answer your questions at the inspection? Ask what their availability is. How much lead time do you need to schedule an inspection? Are you or your inspectors licensed? Massachusetts requires that home inspectors be licensed, and it's important that they are licensed to protect you. You want to know how long the inspection will take. You want to ask what will they inspect during the inspection, and just as importantly, what won't they inspect during the inspection? What specialized tools may they use during the inspection? Some inspectors still come with a flashlight, a screwdriver, and a clipboard, while other inspectors purchase and bring to the inspection every tool and toy that may be available. And what you really need is a person who's in the mid-range that has some of the important tools like moisture meters, digital thermometers, real tools like hex drivers as well as regular screwdrivers, and electrical testers for the outlets, those things. The others are really for show, or they're not always used in every inspection. So it's important to know that somebody's going to be more focused on the inspection than playing with his tools. You want to ask them what type of experience do they have in the specific type of home you're looking at. Do they have experience in older antique homes, those homes that are built in the 1700s or the 1800s, early 1900s? Do they know about knob and tube wiring? Do they know about BX armored cable? It's important that you hire the inspector that has knowledge in the type of home you're looking at. Can they perform optional tests? Typical tests are radon, wood-destroying insects, and mold. And you want to make sure that if they are going to do radon gas testing, mold screening, or wood-destroying insect inspections, that they're certified or registered for those types of inspections by the state, by the local certifying organizations such as the American Association of Radon Scientists and Technologists, the Indoor Air Quality Association, or the New England Pest Management Association. You want to know, when they're doing radon testing, you want to know what type of test will they use. Charcoal, liquid scintillation, E-perm, or continuous monitor. You want to know who's expected to pick up the test. The inspector is charging a fee and putting himself out as a technician, so he should really be the one picking up the tests. And you want to know when you will get your results. Continuous monitors and E-perms provide results the day the test is picked up. Charcoal and liquid scintillation devices can take 5 to 7 days to actually receive the results after the test has been picked up. So sometimes the continuous monitors and E-perms are better suited to what you need. With mold testing, once again, you want to make sure that they're certified to do what they're doing. You want to know how many samples they will take. You want to know how they decide to take the samples or where to take the samples. And will they use moisture meters and take relative humidity readings to help determine those areas where testing should be conducted. With wood-destroying insects, you want to find out what insects they're looking for. It's commonly referred to as a termite inspection, but really they should be looking for termites, carpenter ants, 2 types of powder post beetles, and carpenter bees. Other optional testings you may want that are typically not performed by home inspectors but require specialized inspectors, lead paint testing, and asbestos testing. Some of our older homes have a lot of asbestos-containing materials that you may want to know about. But these are outside the scope of a home inspection. Thank you for watching, and happy house hunting. Thank you for joining us on MBPI Real Estate News.